Red Tea Detox is a fat-burning tea. Peoples are known with the fact that how much herbs are good for our health and our bodies. Herbs are very useful in burning the fat of our body, and also very useful for keeping us away from many diseases like cancer, heart diseases, diabetics etc. Red tea is basically an herb that has an antioxidant. This herb is very useful for reducing health risk and helps our body to keep fit. This type of tea can commonly be called fat-burning tea. How red tea detox could be so beneficial? This question that usually comes in the mind of people that, how red tea detox, red tea, could be so beneficial and able to burn our unwanted weight. The short and extremely simple answer of this is that red tea is a low-calorie beverage as Red Tea Detox is an herbal tea so that it is very rich in antioxidant. Red tea is prepared with different kind of herbs that have properties of anti-obesity that increase metabolic rate due to which fat cells are stopped to form, and it also burn those fat cells that had already formed before. As a result, people look in exactly the same way that they wants to look, and this fact is proven by Liz Swann Miller, who is a very famous and well-known naturopath by the world. Red tea is caffeine-free. Red Tea Detox is simply great. It doesn't contain caffeine and dairy, and more specifically it is drinkable even without sugar. There is no fixed time for drinking red tea. You could drink it whenever you want to drink. It does not make you restless. You could drink it just before going to bed for sleep. It contains tannin but, in a very small quantity, and this is a strong reason to prefer Red Tea Detox over any other black or green tea. Weight loss tea that boosts our immunity level. Red Tea Detox has antiphrastic, antibacterial and antiviral action that helps our body to always keep in energy. It helps to boost our immunity level. Once you try this you will not feel tiredness or weakness for an entire day. Red Tea Detox contains antioxidants which are really very powerful that fight against those fat cells that decrease our energy level and also ruin our body shape and make us fat. It's really a fat-burning tea. It first starts to burn your belly fat and then burns the fat from other parts of your body. Red tea is better than other tea. The Red Tea Detox concept is very different and unique than other tea. If you drink red tea you don't have any need to restrict your diet. There are lots of flexibilities in using red tea. You don't have to follow any diet plan or don't need to keep yourself away your favorite food. I have personally experienced this tea and it is very beneficial. With this tea, you could burn your 21 pounds of weight without any exercise or strict diet. I would like to recommend you to try this at least once, then definitely, you will feel that you had used the technique which is much better and different. If you want to lose weight with red tea, please click link in description to learn more.